welcome back to my channel. So, if you haven't yet, subscribe to Talk About It. And let's get started with this video. So, today I'm going to be reviewing Goodyear 3-gallon air tank. Or air compressor, sorry. So, I just need an air compressor for doing things around the house. Airing up bicycle tires, go-karts, golf carts, motorcycles, unicycles. I mean, pretty much just things that you commonly use around the house. And I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it because I just needed something, small, simple, and quick. So after looking around, cheapest I could find is, even at Amazon and everything, is this little guy at Walmart. There's about 3 different ones that I noticed in Walmart. There's certain things, not just the size of the gallon, you want to watch for. So, how much horsepower it has, what's the max PSI you can bring out, and how fast it can. They do have one brand that it's Hyper Tough. That one is a 3-gallon, and that one puts out 0.7 CFM and at 40 psi, and 0.5 CFM at 90 psi. So I kept that as a option and went to see the next Stratton 3-gallon. So sorry about that again. So it was a Briggs & Stratton 3-gallon, and it was on rollback for $49 as well. Max PSI was 125, and Hyper Tough was the same. The SCFM for the Briggs & Stratton was 0.8 CFM at 40 psi and 0.6 CFM at 90 psi. So I went ahead with the Goodyear. Goodyear has max PSI 135, 1.0 CFM, and 0.8 CFM. The first one at 40 and the second one at 90 PSI. Also, it comes with a 7-piece accessory kit, which is, it pretty much comes with things to inflate balloons, tires, basketballs, soccer balls, whatever kind of balls you want to inflate. So it already comes with everything to get it started. I mean, you're not going to be painting cars with this. You're not going to be, using heavy equipment. But at the time, let's go ahead and start, and I'll show you how to do this. So, or what? It does have a way to purge the tank. I'll turn it around right here. Right here in the bottom, you can release. Yeah. Now, it does have the pressure gauge, if you're staring at it from this angle. So it's got the pressure gauge on how much air is in the tank. And then you can also, with this knob, this yellow knob, you can control how much air is being output for whatever tool you're using. So it also does have another way to purge the tank right here in the top. It's a little pressure valve, I guess. And let's see how long it takes for it to air up to the max amount of PSI it can hold. So I'll put my stopwatch and see how long this takes. So and go. And welcome back. It took a total of 4 minutes to completely air up from empty. Usually when I've done this before, I've flipped it on, gone and get what I was going to air up, bring it back, and it's got a good amount of air in the tank to do what I was going to do. I'll air up something real quick just to show you guys. And also I do want to show you guys too, it's got little, I guess, little plungy boys down here. so good grip. That's why it didn't fall off the table when it was on. So let me air up my trusty unicycle, or Max 65. So let's go ahead and air the bed weight up and see. One complaint I do have the way this little knob, but it came with it, so now I wasn't trying to buy another one. So all right, let's see how fast we got. There you go, 60 psi. So 60 psi. The tire's hard as a rock. And I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Thank you much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share the video, and hopefully if you're looking for an air compressor, this is a very good one to go through. Like I said before, not sponsored. It's just money saving and also useful. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys to it, and see you in the next video.
It's black and white.